just got some new cards in. Let's take a look and see what we got. Hey guys, Ken here. Welcome back to the channel. Well, as you probably saw in my little short I did, I've got my new video set up. I've got my GoPro Hero 7 Black running with an external mic and adapter hooked in. Let me know how the audio sounds, because I'm sure it sounds quite different than it did before. Much better. And I've also got my video light hooked up, and I've got it set at about 20%, and because it's a really powerful light. I didn't want to blast you guys out, but this is my first video doing it with this new setup. Let me know what you think. But I wanted to do this short video just to show you some cards I got in. These are some amazing cards. They're all, well, actually not all. I thought they were all linens, but there's a mixture of it. And they're like trains. And as you know, trains are a big seller on eBay. You know, anything to do with transportation, really. Anything like boats, ships, aircraft, trains, planes, cars, you know, anything that gets people around, you know, allows them to travel. So I just wanted to show you some of them. Here's one right here. It's a neat one. Oh, I love this one. This is a linen right there. Now this looks like an RPPC. This might be. This is a really old one right there. And here's another black and white of a train. Might be printed, might be RPPC, I'm not sure. Just wanted to show you that. And here's one. Looks like it's been colorized. There you go, right there. And there's another black and white one, probably printed. And here's an older one around the 1900s. Actually, this is 1905. Okay, and got another one here. This one is 1948. Another old one. Looks like around the 1900s. And let's see. This one shows a train going through a mountain scape. This is like 1939. And one going through the woods. Here's another nice one. Might be colorized. Not sure when this is. Somewhere in the 1900s. Here's kind of an aerial view. And let's see. Here's a unique one. Kind of, it looks like they turned it into a diner. Okay. This is an underground train, like a subway. There's one along a river. This is dated 1933. Looks like it's a white border. And that's it. But yeah, I just wanted to show you those and show you the new setup. Like I said, in the comments, let me know what you think of it. This is my first time using it. So I wanted to show you those train photos, and those will be going up on my eBay store really soon. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed that. And once again, if you got anything out of this video, and I hope you did, make sure you smash that like button. It helps the channel. I appreciate it. And I'm going to go. But you guys have a great day, and we'll see you on the next video. Take care, and bye for now.